Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of flax seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats that can transform your health. We're talking weight loss, glowing skin, improved digestion, and so much more. Let's get started. Let's talk about weight loss, a topic many of us think about. One of the biggest challenges in weight management is controlling those pesky cravings. That's where flax seeds come in. These little wonders are packed with fiber, a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, helping you feel fuller for longer, and reducing those urges to snack between meals. And we all know how important it is to feel satisfied and avoid overeating. But how can you incorporate flax seeds into your diet for weight loss? It's super easy. You can sprinkle a tablespoon of ground flax seeds onto your morning cereal, yogurt, or even your salads. Another great option is adding them to your smoothies. Flax seeds blend in perfectly and give your smoothie a boost of nutrition and thickness. Remember, like any lifestyle change, consistency is key. Try incorporating flax seeds into your daily routine and see the difference it can make. We all dream of having that radiant, healthy glow. Well, guess what? Flax seeds can help you achieve that. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential nutrients that play a crucial role in skin health. Omega-3s help keep your skin cells hydrated, plump, and elastic, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But that's not all. Flax seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to those amazing omega-3s. They can help soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and even fight acne breakouts. You can add a tablespoon of flaxseed oil to your diet or incorporate it topically. Many people find that applying flaxseed oil directly to their skin helps moisturize and soothe it, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Let's talk about digestive health, something that's often overlooked but so essential for overall well-being. If you're struggling with digestive issues like constipation or irregularity, flax seeds can be your new best friend. As we discussed earlier, flax seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut, helping to soften your stool and promote regular bowel movements. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, which helps things move along your digestive tract more smoothly. The combination of soluble and insoluble fiber in flax seeds makes them a digestive powerhouse. Aim for about 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds daily to keep things moving smoothly. We all know how important heart health is, and incorporating flax seeds into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to show your heart some love. Flax seeds are packed with nutrients that have been linked to improved heart health, including those amazing omega-3 fatty acids and lignans. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their ability to lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride levels, and improve overall heart function. Lignans, on the other hand, are plant compounds that act as antioxidants and have been shown to lower cholesterol levels. Adding just a couple of tablespoons of ground flax seeds to your diet daily can make a big difference in your heart health. You can sprinkle them on your oatmeal, add them to your yogurt, or even incorporate them into your baking recipes. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat that can contribute to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. But don't worry, flax seeds are here to help. These tiny seeds are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds, including those powerful omega-3 fatty acids and lignans we discussed earlier. Omega-3s work by reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, while lignans act as antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. By reducing inflammation, flax seeds can help lower your risk of developing chronic diseases and improve your overall health. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is easy and delicious. You can add them to smoothies, sprinkle them on salads, or even use flaxseed oil as a salad dressing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Remember, incorporating small changes into your lifestyle can significantly impact your health. Start incorporating flax seeds into your diet and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. See you next time.